Chevre, when you look at this, you feel like you have by the Harabayis. You feel like you're in Yerushalayim. Avigdor, how are you?
Hi, hello. This is Yossi Bitton. The name is Yossi Bitton. In the top 5 artists in Israel. I think he's the most sophisticated artist, the most talented, one of the most talented artists. Look at this painting called Aliyah Laregel. Beautiful. Look on the brushstrokes. Look how many details, so many touches on each painting.
Wow, this is gorgeous.
Such a depth.
So this is the famous Yossi Bitton from Tzvas.
Yossi Bitton, born in
the
Tzfat,
art gallery in Tzvas, the old
lives
city.
now in Yerushalayim. Very simple person, but super talented. Love Yerushalayim. Most of this painting about Yerushalayim and Har HaBayit and the Bet HaMikdash. Everything here is original paintings. Everything is available in mixed media as well, so it's cheaper prices.
So it's cheaper because it's mixed, right?
Yeah, it's a print with brushstrokes by the artist. Wow. A lot of effort Yossi put in each mixed media as well. So
how long does it take Yossi to put together such a painting?
So for original painting,
right, that's an original?
It's multiple layers.
I see, it's
layer
multiple
after
layers.
layer. And if you come closer, you will see the thickness of the texture here. So every time you put a layer, you need to wait for it to dry. It's taken weeks to finish that kind of painting.
Wow.
Chaim, this is one of the best sellers.
Wow, I feel like the Western Wall, unbelievable.
Yeah. Look at the texture, look at the colors, so many colors.
You feel like you're actually standing by the Kotel.
Yeah, the colors are neutral, as you can see. It can fit almost any interior. So it's that's the reason many people love this piece.
Wow, look at this piece over here. Wow, also the Kotel. So he focuses mainly on Yerushalayim, on the old city.
The holy places. Yeah,
it's gorgeous.
This is also abstract style of the Western Wall for modern houses.
I didn't even get, wow, it took me a moment to actually realize that's the Western Wall. It's like an abstract. Wow. Unbelievable. Avigdor, where's Yossi Bitton? Where is he? Why doesn't he come here?
Yossi Bitton lives in Makor Baruch in Yerushalayim. He over 70 years old, never leaves Israel.
He's 70 years old and he never left Israel?
Never leaving Israel. Wow. And it's hard for him to leave Israel. He's painting in Israel, and now you can get his pieces here in America. Get his pieces over here.
Let me ask you, for the next 24 hours, you're having a sale in Accessories over here, 1501 60th Street, but how about all year round? Is there a way to get his paintings?
So all year round, we decide to do a few rounds of art shows in multiple cities, in Florida, in Chicago, we have in Borough Park today and tomorrow, and we want to give the best prices here in America to the customers. 2 times a year, you are buying directly from Yossi Bitton. So we have 2 rounds of art show in multiple cities. We just came from Muncie, we were in Lakewood, we were in 5 towns.
Nice. And now you're in Borough Park.
And now we're in Borough Park.
So have a Wednesday in Borough Park, an Accessory Entrance, 1501 60th Street in the beautiful Accessory Entrance store.
And we're going to have another 2 days in Muncie as well.
You're going to be in Muncie?
Yeah. And we have also in Muncie, in 33 Downtown Drive in Muncie, Wednesday and Thursday, 2 days in a row on December 3 and 4, 5 to 10 p.m. So if someone wants to come, it's possible to come to Muncie as well. My phone number is 347-216-6735. I have WhatsApp if someone has a question regarding pricing, any painting, any specific thing you want to ask, you can call me anytime.
And you can reach out to you all year also regarding
all year
paintings.
round, yeah, I'm here, I live here.
You live here, so all year round, if somebody has to get a painting, not by the sale, reach out to you as well.
Yeah, of course, yeah.
Chevre, reach out to Avigdor. These paintings are beautiful, gorgeous. They're full of them over here, the most beautiful paintings in Accessories, and then it's going to be later on in Muncie. Reach out to Avigdor to all your questions. I'm going to put the phone number on the screen.